There's a new pest to keep an eye out for in Central Texas, and that is the muhly grass mealybug. These will get on pink muhly grass and also Waxahachie grass. So they are going to be a white fluffy insect. So if you have really high infestations of them, you might want to remove those plants and replace them with something else. Are you thinking about moving your outdoor plants inside for the winter? If so, you may want to begin preparing before we have our first freeze. Plants that are moving into a home or a greenhouse should be inspected thoroughly, making sure to check soil, stems, and the underside of leaves for any pests, so the pests are not taken inside. You may need a magnifying glass, hand lens, or jeweler's loupe to help see smaller specimens. Any plants with pests should be placed into a quarantine area and treated before moving them inside. The most common pests are usually small, soft-bodied insects, such as aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs, which can be treated by squishing and removing them with your hand, removing them with a jet of water, or treating where they're located with an insecticidal soap. Another common insect pest, fungus gnats, comes from overwatered soil. To manage fungus gnats, you can allow the soil to dry out and change your watering schedule to ensure that you don't overwater. Fungus gnats can be monitored with yellow sticky traps placed in plant pots. Winter can also lead to other insects and arthropods indoors looking for warmer temperatures. Often as the weather gets colder, we see things like scorpions, spiders, cockroaches, or even ladybugs move inside. Now is a great time to head this off by blocking areas where these animals can get in. Make sure that you have a good seal with weather stripping around doors and windows. Window screens are in good repair, and any pipe or wire penetrations on the outside of the home should be closed off with expanding foam or sealant. If you have a home with a brick or stone facade, there are weep holes near the foundation that allow airflow in and out of the wall void space. You don't want to completely block the area because you need the airflow so moisture doesn't build up, leading to other issues. But you can use weep hole covers or copper mesh to physically keep insects and spiders from entering the house through these areas. We'd love to hear from you. Head to centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and video.